Have you ever wondered how the human brain, a mere 3-pound organ, can unravel the most complex mysteries? Picture the world's greatest detectives, from the iconic Sherlock Holmes to the real-life sleuths of today, known for their extraordinary ability to connect seemingly unrelated clues. This is the power of deduction, an art form that has intrigued us for centuries. And what's more astonishing is that this impressive talent isn't exclusive to fictional characters or seasoned investigators. It's a capability rooted deep within our own minds. But how does our brain manage to weave together fragments of information into a coherent narrative? How does it solve the puzzles that confound us? The answer lies in the intricate dance of neurons and cognitive processes within our heads. Groundbreaking research and scientific insights are beginning to unlock the secrets behind this remarkable mental prowess. Now, let's dive into the intricate network of neurons and cognitive processes that make this all possible. Our brain, a powerhouse of logical reasoning and deductive thinking, is a complex network of neurons. These tiny cells, millions in number, are constantly buzzing with electrical impulses, passing along information at lightning speed. They are the architects of our consciousness, the engineers of our thoughts, and the creators of our reality. Imagine a vast cityscape at night, illuminated by countless lights. Each light represents a neuron, and each flicker is a piece of information being transmitted. This is how our brain works, an intricate, dynamic network of information exchange. In the grand scheme of things, neurons are the brain's building blocks. They process and transmit information, enabling us to interpret our surroundings, make decisions, and solve problems. When you're cracking a code or piecing together a puzzle, it's your neurons that are hard at work, connecting the dots and leading you to a solution. Delving deeper into the brain's network, we find cognitive processes at play. These are the mental actions we take to acquire knowledge, understand our world, and make decisions. Cognitive processes include memory, perception, and problem solving. When we solve a mystery or a puzzle, we're utilizing these cognitive processes. For instance, consider the intriguing case of the phantom violinist, an experiment that tested the power of perception and memory. Participants were presented with a series of violin notes, some real, some digitally altered. Despite the changes, the brain was able to piece together a coherent melody, filling in gaps and smoothing over discrepancies. This experiment is a testament to the brain's incredible ability to make sense of fragmented information. To further our understanding of these processes, we've invited a panel of expert neuroscientists, psychologists, and seasoned detectives. They will shed light on the inner workings of the brain's network and share their insights into how we use these cognitive processes to solve mysteries. So, it's clear that our brains are wired to solve puzzles. But how does attention to detail and critical thinking play into this? These are crucial pieces of the puzzle, and as we move forward, we'll explore how they contribute to our brain's remarkable problem-solving capabilities. Attention to detail and critical thinking. These are the tools our brain uses to solve mysteries. With this arsenal, our mind embarks on an exciting journey, sifting through fragments of information and piecing together intricate puzzles. So, how does it all work? Consider attention to detail as the brain's magnifying glass, illuminating hidden clues in a sea of information. It's like a detective meticulously observing every facet of a crime scene. Our brain scrutinizes every bit of data, no matter how insignificant it may seem. It's a quest for patterns, for connections, for the elusive aha moment. Now let's bring critical thinking into the mix. This is the brain's analytical powerhouse, dissecting each piece of information, questioning its validity, assessing its relevance. It's the logical reasoning that scrutinizes the patterns found, challenging assumptions and testing hypotheses. But what happens when the answers aren't found in the usual places? That's where outside-the-box thinking comes in. It's the mind's ability to transcend conventional boundaries, to see beyond the obvious, and to find solutions in the most unexpected places. It's the spark of creativity that turns a dead end into a new path. Through a combination of these strategies, the brain unravels the mysteries that lie before it, connecting the dots in a complex web of information and arriving at astonishing conclusions. In conclusion, our brain is a master of deduction, using a variety of techniques and strategies to solve puzzles and mysteries. Now, we have a glimpse into the fascinating workings of our brain. We've journeyed through the intricate network of neurons and cognitive processes, discovered how our brains piece together fragments of information and connect the dots. We've seen the importance of attention to detail, critical thinking, and thinking outside the box in solving mysteries. We've learned about the role of memory, perception, and problem-solving in this extraordinary mental pursuit. With every mystery it solves, the human brain continues to remain an enigma itself, one that we, as neuroscience enthusiasts, will continue to explore and admire.